I'm Polly Bath, and I travel around the country in schools, as many schools as I can get into, to help y'all with managing and intervening with behavior so we can get back to some of the fun stuff in teaching. Today, I'm going to answer a question coming out of middle school. Here goes. When I say, okay guys, we've got 5 minutes to do what you want, my 7th graders say, so what should we do? It seems like kids need a cruise director these days. How can I help them handle downtime? I've said that to my class. I've said, guys, I'm not your cruise director. Figure it out. And then it dawned on me that they couldn't figure it out. I kind of blame this on that constant input of entertainment that's coming at them. It's like, what do I do with downtime? Have you noticed in the past couple of years especially, we've seen a big uptick on meditation apps and things like, to calm the nervous system and stress reduction. And I think we're seeing those for good reason, because we're all struggling with how to do nothing. And that's essentially my recommendation here, is we have to teach our kids how to do nothing. It sounds crazy, I know. But those times that I've taken my 7th graders outside to just sit and, look at a tree or look at cloud formations or close their eyes, and if they're comfortable with that, and listen to what they hear, and they come back and say, gosh, I heard wind, I heard birds, I heard a car in the background. Getting them to learn how to do that stuff is actually really healthy for the brain. So one of the things you want to start doing is having more regular downtime, not earned, not anything like that, just, guys, you got 5. So when I say in my classroom, guys, take 5, they know that take 5 means I can sit and do nothing. I can just have a conversation with somebody. I might say, hey guys, let's do a puzzle together, whatever it might be. But it's okay to not always be entertained and not always have to have something to do that's, pleasurable, if you will. Because they go, I'm bored. I don't want to sit and do nothing. You know what? You're going to have to get good at being bored, because that's a skill. So do a little more of that. Thanks for watching today. And if you have questions that you might like to see answered in future videos, put those in the comments below.